Hey guys, welcome back to another video. As you can see, we're not on Offroad Outlaws and we're on Gigabit Offroad, playing the new update. And I'll show you guys what is on here and what I have so far, and why I have so little amount of money on here. Like I only have like 20 grand because I didn't make it back. But I will say I'm on Android and it's not out on Apple yet. But I have this vehicle. It's like my first one. You know, I kind of just upgraded it to 8, and it is so powerful. And then I also got this. And while I'm on this, I haven't even upgraded this thing at all. It still has a ton of power. The reason why I'm only at like 23 grand, I know I did not spend all my money. I had like 300 grand left. Maybe 500. I don't know. Between 300 and 500 grand left. And then whenever I was clicking on this vehicle and I was like going through these options, it would take my money away for some reason. So, and then whenever I clicked out of the game and back in, it showed I had negative like 6 grand. So I had to make it back. So I just went on Stump Park and grinded just a little bit until I got 23 grand, honestly. So, yeah. But this is my Jeep build crawler, you know. And then I have my Beetlebug that I built out. And then I didn't buy like the older school crawlers that were originally like in this game. I just decided not to. But I did buy the 6-door and it rolls coal like crazy. So I got these nice rims on it and the nice mud tires. It's supposed to be like a mini mud truck type build. And then, oh yeah, with the hood stack, I did not add like a bed stack or any exhaust pipes or anything. I just made it to look like hood stack. But then I did not buy, you know, a 4-door Dodge, and the Raptor. They also did bring a lot of these prices down. This used to be, I believe, 50 grand, and this used to be 70 grand, but now it's 30 grand and 47,500. I forgot how much this was. I didn't really look at it, but yeah. And then I got this Jeep, which is totally kitted out with coilover suspension in the front, and I kind of coil over in the rear. Sorry guys. And I know I haven't been posting in a while, but that's just because I kind of just like I've been meaning to post, but I just kind of laid it off just for a little bit. And since Gigabit Offroad has a new update, I might as well show that off. But I just fully kitted out these vehicles. But besides this vehicle and this vehicle, I believe the rest of my vehicles that upgrade at least 10 or more, like for power. So yeah, but my Jeep's at 10. I think the Dodge is at 10 or so. Let's check. Yeah, I just put it at 10 and then let it upgrade a little bit more. But then I also have this as kind of like, I mean, I know this is Gigabit Off-Road, but I kind of made it like a realistic-ish build. Even though I feel like this would look better with step side. And I could buy it right now, I'm just not doing it. But for 5 grand, 4 grand. I think this was 7 grand, but I just lowered it, put big rims on it. And yeah, took the bed off. You know, it looks pretty good. I mean, actually, how about guys, in this video, you rate how you like this black truck out of 1 to 10, 1 being the worst and 10 being the best. But yeah, and then you got this for 4,500, which I may buy because it's like the Jeep Cherokee 4-door. There guys. And this is, I feel like I feel like this. No wait. So there's like these little Suzuki vehicles that are like small like this, and I feel like that's what this could be. A 4 grand truck. And I may run this on the new map. But then you also have the 2-door Jeep. Well, guys, so also if you want to join me or connect with me, My player ID is Redneck Anthem. So yeah. Now I have to turn it on and off. But then they retextured World 1. World 2 is about the same. World 3 is about the same. World 4 they retextured of it, because this is Stunt Park, but they retextured it to like the bottom part, this green part, because it used to be gray and now it's green. And then World 5 they kept the same. And well, I think they retextured a little bit of it because this grass part is a little bit different. And then you got World 6, which I really like, and I'm playing right now. I need to move this, but I think I'm right here, because I think before I was on the crawler, but right now I'm on the truck, so I gotta, but four-wheel drive, all these vehicles, like some of these vehicles actually drift really well, but on my iOS account that used to run, it like, I had the 6-door lowered with some drag tires and 2-wheel drive, and that drifted. Had a manual in it too. And even now, I kind of think it could be a little bit stupid to have the manual with the reverse and drive. I kind of like it. Doesn't matter. It doesn't bother me at all. So yeah. But let's go take the truck for a spin. And I got the big long toe mirrors. And then you got the roll bar too, so yeah. Ooh. You're out of control, bud. My Wi-Fi is weird, but I can still make this video. 7 minutes so far, but fish. Doo-doo. Gas station's right over here. Why? Yeah, because there's a goat on top of the gas station. That's why I kind of came here. But like, look at the gas station. It's just so realistic. Here, let me go in reverse. And here I go. You can line up. Like, if you want to do some roleplay and multiplayer, you would probably do it. Just, you probably wouldn't be able to have some cops. And you would maybe have to do like a Discord chat. Or like go in Discord and like do a voice chat or something. But you could do it on this map. Or really any map. You could do some roleplay, because you would have the gas station. Just park up. Get some gas. And yeah. Nope. Hold on, guys. Let me grab a different truck. I could. Heck, let's just use this. Sometimes, like, look at this. Even idle, it's on. It rolls coal insane. It's like Whistling Diesel's Monster Max. It rolls coal insane. The coal amount is insane. Glitch. Come on. Maybe you'll have to do some glitchy stuff. What's that? Got this, which is camera 13. I mean, it's probably good photo mode picture, but I personally don't really like it. If I stay this, and then I swap into this buggy. And then now, sorry guys, I'm switching out vehicles a lot, but I'm trying to get the 6-door on here. So, and there we go. We have the old 6-door up here. And there we go. Already got Bob. Sometimes, every once in a while in IRL, I'll just do some random accents that I do. I mean, to me I call them accents. Maybe to you they're not, but to me they are accents. But yeah, even idle right there just rolls cool. Oh yeah, you want to see something, bud? So, the game allows this. The game somehow allows this. You could have that. It somehow allows this. You could have this with this. You could do this. No. I'm just gonna leave it like that. But I kind of just put black rims on this and stuff. Let's grab, actually, you know what truck could never do this? The lower boy. If I've actually done that. That's straight pipe. This would also be a good photo mode. Probably has like a little 1PV6. Maybe, I don't know. Well, let's just drag them in. Let's just do this, I guess. Oh, that's quite cool. See, even this vehicle will just drift. And drift insanely. Here, I'm gonna switch. Okay, this is my second to last time I'm actually gonna switch. Second to last. Before I end the video. But, also, I hope you guys enjoy the video. And, you know, like, comment, subscribe. And, like this, I will say one thing. I feel like this crawler is like maybe a miniature version of maybe this. Maybe this. But I think it's either a miniature version of this. I do think it's maybe. But maybe like you don't have like all these panels or something. And just a little bit different front end. I think that's about it. But, so I do really love this Jeep. It's a great off-roader. Like, it's a beast. But, we're gonna hop in my trophy truck. Which, I honestly just took all the panels off. Because I just didn't want to deal with it. I took basically everything off that I could. I kept the mirrors on because I thought they were pretty cool. And I also took the whole rear end setup off. And the front, I also took everything off of it. I just took it like, basically bare bones. So you can see I'm in full drift. And it drifts. These engine sounds great. Sorry guys. Yeah, that's my background. The C10. Like if I like tap down and then tap down and tap down and like ding, ding. Like that basically. That looks pretty cool. I feel like these rims they have on this are almost like the rims that come in offroad outlaws. Like here, I'll hop in offroad outlaws honestly right now. I'm charging my phone right now just cause I can, but it's offroad outlaws right now. I guess put a little bit offroad outlaws in here, you know. But this is what I kind of do for the RPs. I have the grandpa's truck, one of them, one out of two. I have Monster Max. I have my OG truck, which I'm probably not going to sell. Just like a little realistic lifted off-roader. Got the SEMA truck. I kind of started the Flying SEMA truck channel thing. You got this Ford. So this was my Ford mud truck. Okay, so let me repair it. I have only $3 grand really. But this was the truck that I wrapped the monster logo on. You know, it's pretty nice. I love it. But I put the stiffness at 8,000 and I put tracks on it. Which it actually, okay. So it's not technically a mud truck anymore. It's more of a crawler type build. Because these tracks suck in the mud. But they're probably pretty good at snow. And they're probably great for snow. But they're pretty good at crawling. But then you also have, I have the El Camino, which has skinnier tires in the front. And it's purple, you know, because I used to, and kind of just like this look, like a little sleeper look, you know. And then you got the fatties in the rear, and then truck, and then you got the camper on top. Oh, I was in here. And then you have the second grandpa truck, which I fixed up, you know. And then I have my cop car, which I don't use it. Probably need to use it. I may think about doing a next RP video, and maybe trying to be a cop. If it all works out good. And then I haven't done anything with my Nova yet. Or my Cuda. And then, yeah, that's it. And then I have this many parts left on my Camaro. But, yeah. But, I'm gonna actually go out of this. Since I showed a little bit. Oh, wait, you know what? I didn't even show the rims. Didn't look like. Sorry guys, I gotta go back off where I was. I just now realized that. But I think to end the video off, we'll do a little bit off-roading for Gigabit off-road. I'll just use this truck real quick. But it looks like the base rims. See, like this. Just, you know, different colors. Like maybe this, like, you know, this maybe like a thicker bead log that's like more of a, oh, the spoke color, that the bead color is like more of like a grayish, like this, like that. Front and rear, you know, for $4,500. Sorry guys, I just see it a little bit, you know, I don't mean it, but that's what it looks like. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's let this load and then I'll show the ending screen. Oh yeah, like, you know, if you're just starting the game and like, then you can click. I'll show you guys. But you can either hit the cones that will sorry guys. That will give you like $300, or you can do this, show your support, and you can click on this. You can just click on it and then go back. You know, 10 grand. This, go back. You don't really have to like it. See, I was at 20 grand, right? It put me at least at 100 grand. See, I don't even like this, but I mean, you know, put me at, gives you at least, yeah, 100,000 at least. 90,000 actually. Probably at least 90,000. And then it'll give you enough money to buy a truck or something, or like if you want to. Like I started the game out with 1.5 million, but like if you wanted to, then you can start 1.5 million and then put like 9, and then you would have like 90 grand more, 100 to 90 grand more with the sponsors that they do. And then you could easily like buy a truck, like buy a cheap truck. Yes, I believe this is 7 grand. But you could buy a cheap truck and then just build it out, max out. But yeah. But actually, let's figure out a good vehicle to. We didn't take the beetle bug out. So let's take. Wait, let's just chill in here. Chill out here. We got the beetle bug. Here, let's take a good photo. Well, you girls can take a photo of this. Like, if you hit these cones, you know, you can do trails. You can those goats. You can hit them, and they will give you like 3 grand. But there is a bridge at the end of like these roads, and it shows, it's just like a trick basically. It shows the goat, but if you try to hit it, it's just in the bridge. Scoot. It's kind of hard to control sometimes. I mean, if you're a pro at the game, it's not going to be hard to control. You gotta hit this cone. You gotta get some money with this. As you can see, if you look closely, there's a goat. But then when you go in, you can't go in the bridge. You can't go in the tunnel, I mean. But, see, it's Goatville. This is Goatville. Population is 50. 50 miles. Oh, let's get a good photo, you know. I was gonna take a photo, you know. And then, we're just gonna hit drive. we're gonna do this, but this is a longer-ish video, but you know, this has been a great video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it. But I'll see you guys on the next one. Maybe in Offroad Outlaws or Gigabit Offroad. I don't know. Bye.